What is going on, guys? It is your boy Trillest Diaz today, back at y'all with another video, guys. And as you guys can see by the title, this is a message to my idol, the person that got me to where I am today, 360 Jeezy. And really, I couldn't thank 360 Jeezy enough, which is why I want him to watch this video. Without him, I wouldn't be where I am today, literally. Without him, I wouldn't be the person that I am today. My clientele is the way that it is today because of him. It literally touched me so much, and it came to mind the message that I sent to 360 Jeezy when I first started YouTubing. I was like, hey Jeezy, or should I say Jared? That's his name. That's his real name, Jared. My name is McCoy Diaz. I decided to message you because about 1.5 years ago, I started watching your haircut tutorials, and I wanted you to know that I've taken a lot of advantage from them. Where I started to want to start barbering myself, I watched and took notes for about 6 months. Then around November 2016, I started working at a barbershop in which both of my big brothers worked in here where I live in Lawrence, Massachusetts. Happens to be that I was basically forced to use your methods because the fades came out so much better and the blend was a whole lot more defined with the 3 guidelines method, which till this day I still use, which literally till this day I still use. And that's the reason why my clientele keeps on growing, and that's the reason why my barbering career is so successful, and I couldn't be any more thankful for it.
Trillest Diaz, man, I appreciate you. Thank you for just coming out and having the courage to even make that video. I'm glad that I inspire you, man. It's like mind-blowing to know that, you know, I'm actually helping people in the world, Craig. You know what I mean? Like, it's crazy. But I just want to say, keep going, man. It's basically your hard work. You see my videos, it got you inspired, but it's your hard work. It's your, you know, go-getting attitude. Make sure you keep going, man. Don't doubt yourself. Keep believing that there's a greater outcomes. So that's all I did. It wasn't always sweet, but I kept pressing on, and I am where I am because of believing in God. So make sure you keep the faith as well. Otherwise, yeah, shout out to Trillest Diaz. His link will be in the description below. Make sure you check out that guy, man. He does barber tutorials. If you wanted to see the rest of that video, that link will be in the description as well. But everybody, take out the time right now to just go to his page and hit that subscribe button. That would mean a lot to me as well as Trillest Diaz, all right? But it's your boy 360 Jeezy. In this video right here, I did a burst fade, all right, with a part on the side. Long hair on top. So when I did the client consultation, my client didn't want anything off the top. So right now I'm pinning my client's hair up at the top just to clear everything out the way so I can, you know, begin to fade the sides. Now, you want to make sure everything is neat before you actually start cutting. That way your bling comes out neater. Now my first guideline is the bald line using my Endless Slimline Pro LIs, and this time I'm not gonna set in a harsh guideline by, you know, putting it in like I'm lining somebody up. I'm gonna turn the clipper around and kind of just flick out. That way it won't set in a harsh guideline. But I'm still gonna maintain that round shape around my client's ears. I'm gonna be going up about 1 inch. Now using my Wall cordless 1919s with the lever open, I'm going up about 1 inch, keeping that same round like shape, keeping it consistent all the way through. Same thing with the one guard open. I'm kind of going in an upward, you know, motion, and I'm still gonna put that guideline in about 1 inch, but I want it to kind of blend into my next step. So I'm not setting in a harsh guideline. I'm just kind of basically kind of flicking upward. So with the 2 guard open, I'm gonna go straight up. Now the reason I'm not digging in, because I don't wanna make it like an undercut, even though it kinda is gonna give that undercut feel anyway. I still wanna keep some bulk at the top, just so that it blends in to the hair on top. And I know it's gonna be like, ah man, that's way too short to blend in on top, but it will still be dark enough to give that illusion that is blending in on top. So dropping back down to that 1 guard open, I'm just gonna clean up that area between the 1 and the 2, just to make it blend a little bit more. Using the 0 guard close in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Now when you're flicking out, make sure you start below the line and flick to the line. Do not start at the line and flick up. Okay, that's gonna, bring your fade up. When you flick out, make sure you start below the line, flick to the line, and if you need to, open and adjust your lever as you go up. And most importantly, since this is like a round shape blend, you want to make sure you use your corners and utilize that as much as possible. Now with the lever closed in a flick out motion, start below the line, flick to the line. Make sure you adjust your lever as you get into that lever open area. So after you're done with all those steps, this is the moment where you take the time to step back, take a look away from the blend, rest your eyes for a hot second, and come back and do some detailed work. Put on the guards in those areas where you set your guidelines in. Utilize your corners as much as possible and just knock out all of those dark spots. So with this side, it's the same exact steps. Make sure you are looking back and forth on the other side to make sure that you're setting the guidelines evenly. Otherwise, I'm just gonna speed this side up because it's the same steps as the other side. Now, when it comes to any type of part, you gotta remember there's two sides to every part. The part you see me putting in right now, I'm basically doing the top part of the part. That was so part of the part. All right, but anyway, you're gonna see me turn that blade around and do the bottom part of the part. All right, I hope that doesn't confuse everybody, because that just confused me, but I'm gonna leave this in here. Let's run it. YouTube, this is the cut, and if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like the beat, make sure you go over to HustleDreamProduction. His YouTube channel will be in the link in the description below as well. If you want to know where you could get any tools that you've seen in this video, please check out the link in the description below as well. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. My Snapchat is Jeezy360 and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Cheers.